Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. It is a dream and a spiritual goal for every Muslim around the world. Among the 3 ways of Hajj, the most common and easiest method for international pilgrims is Hajj al-Tamattu. It allows you to perform Umrah and Hajj in the same trip, with a short break between both. Have you ever thought about why Islam allows Hajj al-Tamattu as a convenience for pilgrims? Is not it beautiful how Allah makes worship easier, not difficult, for those who reside in other countries? It is a method of performing both Umrah and Hajj during the same trip to Makkah. The word Tamattu means special concession, which shows that this is a merciful gift given by Allah. This method is highly recommended for international travelers. Generally, pilgrims arrive in Makkah 10 to 15 days before Hajj according to their Hajj packages. They travel by plane and cross a point called Miqat before landing in Jeddah, which is within the Miqat area. Pilgrims need to enter the state of Ihram before their flight departure. When they cross the Miqat, they make the intention niyyah for Umrah and say loudly, Allahumma labbaik Umrah. After they reach Makkah, pilgrims must perform Umrah first, then exit from Ihram and wear normal clothes. Men should trim their hair, not shave, as their heads will be shaved at a later stage during Hajj, while women need to cut a small portion of their hair. Pilgrims can enjoy the benefits of regular life until they enter into a state of Ihram once again for Hajj. If pilgrims want to visit Madinah after Umrah, they can spend a few days there. Before Hajj begins on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah, they must enter the state of Ihram again with the intention, niyyah, of Hajj and say loudly, Allahumma labbaik Hajj from Madinah Miqat to do the Hajj rituals. If pilgrims are already in Makkah, they can enter the state of Ihram on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah from their hotel or home without going to the Miqat again. This way of Hajj has 2 intentions, one for Umrah before crossing the Miqat and the other for Hajj after completing Umrah in Makkah. A person who does Hajj al-Tamattu is called a Mutamatti. We hope this video clarifies your doubts. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for mankind for more informative content and share it with your friends and family. May Allah bless you all.